Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I exercise every morning.
What are you doing after school?
I am going to the park after school.
Where are they swimming?
They are swimming in the pool.
What is she buying?
She is buying a new dress.
Where are you eating dinner?
I am eating dinner at home.
Where are you sitting?
I am sitting on the sofa.
Who is watering the plants?
My dad is watering the plants.
What are you bringing to the party?
I am bringing cake to the party.
Why are you studying?
I am studying because I have an exam.
What do you do?
I work as a teacher.
Who is cooking dinner tonight?
My mom is cooking dinner tonight.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables every day.
What does she like to do?
She likes to read books.
Does he play football?
Yes, he plays football on weekends.
Where does she study?
She studies at the university.
Do they go to school?
Yes, they go to school every morning.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook dinner every night.
Why is the baby sleeping?
The baby is sleeping because it is tired.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat pizza.
Who is playing the guitar?
My cousin is playing the guitar.
What is he looking for?
He is looking for his shoes.
What does he do in his free time?
He plays video games.
Do you drive to work?
Yes, I drive to work every day.
What do they do for fun?
They go hiking.
Does she wear glasses?
Yes, she wears glasses.
Does he clean the house?
Yes, he cleans it on Sundays.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea. I like it very much.
Why is he jumping?
He is jumping because he is excited.
Where does she work?
She works in a hospital.
Does she play tennis?
Yes, she plays tennis on weekends.
Do they have a pet?
Yes, they have a dog.
Is she talking on the phone?
Yes, she is talking on the phone.
Is she washing the dishes?
Yes, she is washing the dishes.
Does she take the bus?
Yes, she takes a bus to work.
What do you study?
I study mathematics.
Do you visit your friends?
Yes, I visit them every weekend.
Does she wake up early?
Yes, she wakes up early every day.
Did she go to the market?
Yes, she went to the market.
Is she buying some food?
Yes, she is buying some food. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.